Hey guys, now this is a new item. The new robotic car you can see. Oh wow, it's a sensor, hand sensor car. It can turn into transformer. It can turn into a car again. It's awesome. And we have it available in 4 different colors. One is yellow, one is golden, one is blue, and one is red. And the good part it is like you can control it with your remote control. You can drive it, and it's very good in it. Very good size. It may look small, but it is too big. Just see. Can you just change these two as well, please? Okay. Oh, remote. Oh wow. That's simply awesome. It's really a very demanding product these days. So yeah, it is. Yeah. So we are taking the orders right now. If you really need it, just let us know. You can contact on 713-587-0786. We take all of your orders right now. We have a limited quantity. Be a first person to order it, first store to order it, and lead the market. Thank you.